Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video I will show you how to install requests in any project in Pycharm. This is a new project that I have created in Pycharm in its main.py file. Let me import requests and show you whether it is already installed. So at the top of this file, let me write import requests. Now I'm going to run the main.py file. And there you go. It says module not found error, no module named requests. So let me tell you how to install requests in your project in Pycharm. Of course, you can click on this label install package and install requests. But let me tell you a better way to do it. Come to the left hand side of this Pycharm screen where you see these icons and hover over the third icon which says Python packages. Now click on it. Now in here in the search bar, just type requests. You may see many packages with the name requests, but make sure you install the one simply called requests because that's the official library. So click on it and then come to the right hand side of this screen where you are going to find the install button. If you click on install right now, it's going to install the latest version of the requests library. But if you want to install a specific version of the requests module, then click on this drop down, select that version and then click on install. But for this video, I am going to go ahead with the latest version. Now click on install and you can see it has started installing requests in Pycharm. It's going to take a bit of time. And there you go. It has installed the requests. If you have noticed, the red line below requests is now gone. And I'm hoping that it is successfully installed. Now let's verify the installation of the requests library. So inside this print_hi function, I am going to write a print statement within whose brackets I am going to use requests to hit google.com and I'm going to get its status code like this. Now it should print the 200. So let me run the main.py file now. There you go, it has printed 200. This means that requests is working successfully, which means that we have been able to successfully install requests in Pycharm. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install requests in any project in Pycharm from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.